Chapter 6 Bharatiya Clothes. Bharat is a land of diversity. The diversity can be seen in dress, language, religion, food, and even in gesture. No country in the world can offer such a vast cultural variety. Every state in our country has its own culture and dress. We can tell where people are from by looking at the style of their clothes. People in our country wear different types of clothes depending on the region they live in and also on their religion. But there are some dresses which are common all over the country. People also dress themselves according to season, such as light clothing during summers and woolen clothing during winters. Dresses for men. Common dresses. The most common dresses of Bharatiya men are shirt, trousers, coat, cap, kurta pajama, dhoti kurta, lungi, etc. Men also wear tie, t-shirts, etc. according to their need. Shirt, trousers, coat, kurta, lungi. Traditional and regional dresses. Every region has a tradition and custom. It also influences the dresses of the people living in that area. The traditional dresses of some states are Punjab, lungi kurta with jacket and turban. Rajasthan, churidar pajama and angrakha, a type of kurta with turban. Kashmir, firan, a type of long woolen kurta. Firan, a type of long woolen kurta. Gujarat, churidar pajama and jacket. Uttar Pradesh, dhoti kurta and simple cap. Dress of Punjab, dress of Rajasthan, dress of Kashmir, dress of Uttar Pradesh. West Bengal, dhoti kurta. In many parts of Bharat, men wear turbans and caps. Turban is a kind of headgear. The style of wearing turbans and caps varies from state to state. For example, the people of Jammu and Kashmir wear fur caps. Gujaratis wear Gandhi topi. The Himachali caps are beautifully embroidered. Similarly, the people in Punjab, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Karnataka tie their turbans in different manners. Caps and turbans save the head from heat as well as cold. Dresses for women. Common dresses. The most common dresses of Bharatiya women are sari blouse, ghagra, kurta, odhni, salwar kameez, skirt, top, jeans, t-shirt. Modern women like to wear western dresses like skirts, tops, t-shirts, jeans, etc. Traditional dresses. Sari is the most common traditional dress of Bharatiya women. It is worn in different ways in different states. The most popular traditional dresses of women in some states are Punjab, salwar kameez with dupatta, Rajasthan, ghagra blouse with odhni, Gujarat, chaniya choli with odhni. Chaniya is a type of lehenga. UP, sari or ghagra and choli. Haryana, ghagra, kurta and odhni. Kerala, mundu and blouse. Mundu is a type of lungi. Dress of Punjab, dress of Rajasthan, dress of Gujarat, dress of Uttar Pradesh, dress of Kerala. Clothes according to seasons. Bharat is a land of different seasons. We have summer, winter, autumn, spring and the rainy season. People also wear different types of clothes according to different seasons. For example, in summers, we wear cotton clothes. Cotton clothes protect us from heat of the sun. In winters, we wear woolen clothes. Woolen clothes protect us from the cold weather. In rainy season, we wear raincoats, gumboots and use umbrellas. They protect us from rain. With every change in season, there comes a change in clothes also. Cotton clothes, woolen clothes, rainy clothes. Clothes according to professions.